Rescue operations are underway in Uttarakhand, northern India, after a sudden cloudburst triggered devastating flash floods in the Uttarkashi district. The disaster struck Darali village around 1:30 p.m. local time, sending a massive wave of muddy water surging through the area. Eyewitnesses captured the terrifying moment as the floodwaters tore through the village. Many residents and tourists had little time to escape. The ancient Kalpkadar temple is believed to have suffered damage, and large areas are now underwater. Army and paramilitary teams have reached the site, urging people to stay away from the water as rescue efforts continue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences and assured that relief teams are doing everything possible. With more rain expected, authorities are racing against time to find survivors and prevent further tragedy in Uttarakhand.